Before we start underwriting this private money lending deal, I first would like to explain everything we look for to determine our decision to lend or not. We look at the character of the borrower. How they fill out an application tells a story. We look at the borrower experience level, the borrower financials, property ARV, that's after repair value, property as is value, the loan amount requested, and the borrower exit strategy. If all these items check out, we will make an offer to lend. If the offer is accepted, then we move forward with more due diligence, like property inspection, borrower submitting their track record, and bank statements. Now that you understand what we are looking for, let's get into the underwriting.
All right, the property address is 542 Wagner Street. The living square footage is 1,176. How many bedrooms and bathrooms? 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. Has space to add a 3rd bedroom. Okay. It's a single family property. Estimated current value of subject property, 85,000. Estimated value after rehab is 230,000. Years of experience, 1 year. Loan amount requested, 135,000. Describe the use of funds. I will use this money to purchase the property and complete necessary renovations. Okay. Exit strategy. My exit strategy is to sell the property after it's repaired. I will use that money to pay you back. How long do you need the loan for? 5 months. Purchase price, 80,000. How much can you put down as a down payment? 2,000. All right. Construction cost, 50,000. All right, so they already don't have enough money to put down.
Right. And where is this at? Wagner?
Wagner, yeah. Wagner Street.
Where? Wagner where?
Yeah,
Wagner, New York City? Wagner, New Orleans? Wagner, Harvey?
yeah.
Wagner, Mississippi? I don't know. Where's this at? In New Orleans?
Yeah, New Orleans. Seems
Is
like
this
it's
in?
like Is Algiers? I don't know. Let me see.
Yeah, I'm about to say.
Yeah, that's Algiers, yeah.
All right.
1,176 square feet. Let's verify the square footage.
All right. Pulls up on the assessor site. They saying 1705. I think theirs was lower, huh?
Yeah, in the application is lower, 1,176.
Yeah,
Yeah, so
well,
we moved that one.
1176.
Yeah, yeah. And then the assessor's website is definitely wrong because they have it as a 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom. And a 1,700 square foot house is typically a 3 bedroom, 2 or something like that.
Right. Right. I agree.
Yeah. All right, so let's check out some photos. This is one of the photos. This looks like the back of the house. What you think?
It's hard to tell. Um,
Yeah,
it looks like it could be a back door or something like that.
yeah. So property gutted.
Got it. What? Some of it is gutted. Go back to that room. Go back to the gut room. Okay.
Definitely a total renovation.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw that one. We don't have any photos of that's a huge, like, all those like small, this is like the bigger space. They don't have any front or exterior photos?
That's it. That's the only one. Yeah. So what's their rehab
I'm
budget?
just like, he said, go back down.
50K.
50K.
Yeah. Yeah, that's not gonna work.
Yeah, I don't like those numbers. The 2,000 is not enough for the down payment. all the 135 and the ARV and all that, that's okay. But
Yeah,
let's see what is, if the ARV is the at least the 235.
yeah,
But the rehab budget,
yeah,
that's a, in this case, because I am seeing the larger room needing the most. I mean, it's insulation and drywall and paint and flooring, but
yeah,
it looks like it do need some electrical and all that need to be done.
yeah. They're not getting that done for no 50,000.
In this neighborhood, Hindi and all of that,
Yeah,
you're gonna have to go a little over, huh?
yeah. So, but
You're
this
gonna have to go.
Whitney Avenue, that's a main street, because it changed into LB
Yeah, I'm
Land.
talking about to the left. You had to grab some of them to the left.
Yeah, these right here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, to the right of it. Sorry.
yeah.
I was saying you couldn't go to the left either.
To the left, yeah, I can, but let me see what this say first. Let's see what these are. Very good. One that's not very good.
And we said, what was the square footage on this?
11.
1176. Okay.
Yeah, this not the
Yeah,
same style. Yeah,
that's we don't even have a photo of the house, so I don't even know what we looking at.
yeah. What style house? Let me Google it and see
Right.
if we could get the exterior.
All
Oh yeah,
right. All right. So just a regular little cottage, like,
yeah.
all right.
We're looking around. All right. All right. So you want me to expand the search?
Yeah, you're gonna have to go to the left of it.
But I know going this way towards Algiers Point, those comps
Oh yeah. I didn't what's the major street though?
is Whitney and LB Landry. So we crossing this main street, but I know in these comps pretty high. So I
Yeah,
might
we can't cross Whitney.
so I might go this way. I might go this way. Like, let me go back in. Might get these comps right here and see what happened.
All right. Yeah, General Maya, that's similar. 1176. I'm not seeing, said 235.
Yeah,
Um,
they have the ARV
230.
at 230 and the current value 85,000. That current value not 85,000.
No, it's not.
Yeah. Because this one in fair condition sold at 70,000. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Um, Man, they make it pretty tough, huh?
Yeah. So this one sold in excellent condition, but it was a smaller house.
Yeah.
Yeah, smaller house. It sold at 135.
And it's a slab though.
Yeah, in the slab. So 156 a square foot. This one was a little bigger, sold for 147 a square foot. They did a good job.
They did. Wish they saying 50,000. Um 50,000 and 1176. Let's see. What's that square foot? That's $42.51 a square feet. You think that's $42.52 for construction?
Yeah, I think that construction budget is way too low.
Yeah, what would you have liked to seen though?
Probably double that, honestly.
100?
Uh, yeah, like they had 50,000 and the property 70% gutted. Like they probably would be at around at least 85.
I was gonna say 75. I think 75,000 for construction
Yeah.
because it is 1176.
Yeah.
But
But we just did a house in Jefferson at
smaller.
1,300 square foot, and we put over $100,000 in that property.
Yeah, but the neighborhood also commanded that too, right? Where we were at that location, um, we ain't had no spectacular finishes, but we had some finishes that we probably could downgrade a little bit in this neighborhood.
Yeah, and our downgrade is at 90,000.
Yeah, that's true. The downgrade would be around that 90,000, I guess.
Because we was at like 125, 130 in that house.
Mm-hmm. I'm
Yeah.
not liking um not having a I just not liking the data that I'm seeing, and I'm
Yeah,
not
me.
liking the application that was presented. It's
Yeah.
just
Yeah.
it's
And
just not giving.
all right.
Like they say, it's not giving.
Yeah, yeah, I agree. Even if we do this one sold for 156 a square foot, this one sold for 147 a square
And
foot.
you get the dude, what's the average of those? What's the
Yeah. So the average, I'm gonna say, let's say is 151. And if we do 151 times 1176, that put the ARV at 177. So all in all, the ARV don't check out because this
Yeah,
applicant,
175. Yeah. So
yeah, yeah. So
sometimes y'all gotta go with that feeling. Just when you just feeling like it ain't, then of course people might push back on that. But we're smaller lenders. We don't have $135,000 to, you know what I'm saying, to just wash away.
yeah,
I think if the information had been presented a little bit better, with the required photos that we asked for, um, and definitely would have liked to seen that purchase price lower and the construction cost higher.
yep. And also, this is a big renovation for an investor with 1 year of experience. So
Yeah,
I definitely would like to see this person track record with their 1 year of experience and see if they
correct.
did any renovations of this size.
And listen, even if that's not in your criteria, we flexible, right? You add asking for experience whenever it fits.
Yep.
But we ask for experience regardless.
Yep. So this is a VC denied.
Hey, yep, denied.